Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to swap out the battery in your 2017 to 2025 Ford F-150 or Ford F-250 key fob. This key fob takes one CR2032 battery, and if you need one, we'll provide a link in the description where you can pick one up. So to swap out this battery, we will need a small flathead screwdriver, and the first thing we're going to do is press this button to release the physical key. And then you can see a small slot where we can enter in our flathead screwdriver. So we're going to stick the screwdriver in here. And if you pry up against the back plate, you can see that it starts to pop off. And once it does that, you can take your fingers and pop it off the rest of the way, which will expose our CR2032 battery. Then we can take the screwdriver and wedge it underneath the battery. And I like to hold my finger on top just so that the battery doesn't come flying out. Swap it out for our new battery with the positive side facing up, and we can reattach the back plate, making sure it snaps along the edges. And once you do that, you should be good to go. So hopefully this video helped you out in swapping out the battery in your key fob. If it did, leave us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.